How to post Instagram story from laptop or PC. So if you want to post Instagram story from laptop or PC, then what you need to do is first open up your browser and you need to open up your Instagram. So go with instagram.com and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're logged in, now right click and then go with the inspect option, which is on the bottom. Once you click on inspect, now you just need to simply go with this icon, which is right here. Click on the icon. Once you click on it, you'll get this kind of interface. You can simply go with the dimension, which is on the upper right, and you can simply choose the device that you're using right now. So I'll be choosing a device. And once you choose your device, now what you need to do is refresh your page. Once you've refreshed, now you will get the your story option. You just need to simply click on your story. Once you click on your story, you can simply use the images that you would like to add to your story. And once you choose the image, you'll be able to add that to your story. But make sure that you've not removed this inspect option, because if you remove the inspect, then if you click on add story for your story, it will say that you need to rotate your device. So make sure that you've not crossed the inspect, and once you're under the inspect page, make sure to reload and then you can upload your story on your Instagram. So that's how you can post Instagram story from laptop or PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.